Welcome to Family Hearth and Heart, where we bake with love, stir up sweet memories, and always keep a little chocolate close by. Today we're making caramel pecan brownies, rich, fudgy, and layered with gooey caramel and toasted pecans. It's the kind of dessert that makes you close your eyes and smile. Here's what you'll need. For the brownie base, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup or 2 sticks unsalted butter, 2 cups granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, or sea salt if you're feeling fancy, and 1 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. For the caramel layer, a 14-ounce bag of soft caramels, 1/4 cup heavy cream, for the topping, 1½ cups chopped pecans, lightly toasted. Start by melting your butter and stirring in the sugar. Add your eggs and vanilla, then whisk until it's smooth and glossy. Stir in cocoa powder, flour, salt, and baking powder until it's just combined. Don't overmix. We want these brownies tender and fudgy. Now for the magic. Melt your caramels with a little cream until it's silky and golden. This is your ribbon of sweetness that runs right through the middle. Pour half the brownie batter into a greased 9x13 pan. Drizzle the caramel over the top, sprinkle with half the pecans, then add the rest of the batter and swirl gently. Finish with the rest of the pecans. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes until the top is set and your kitchen smells like a chocolate dream. Let it cool completely before slicing, if you can wait that long. Serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and chocolate or caramel syrup. These brownies are rich, gooey, and full of love. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Visit our website at familyhearthandheart.com. From my hearth to yours, happy baking!